suplex. You want it with who's flexing? I'm a loose cannon, whiskey bottle two-handed, standing on the roof, slamming only 100 proof, damn it. I'm a fat Jesse Eisenberg, bad like Heisenberg, rad with the rhyming word sad since my time of birth. Listening to bitches brew, eating chicken vindaloo, doing interviews in the nude. I was sipping scissor, listening to Twisted Sister, sifting through your sister's Instagram pictures. I'm Rick Ross before the CrossFit, was never on that bar shit, don't step into my office. Now I've been on some stupid shit, but really on some truthful shit, I'm trying to get more lucrative. They talking about the 90s, how they taking it back, but they ain't talking about the money, all they making is rap. I want that 90s money, Claytonomics on them. I want that .com bubble, take away my troubles with that 90s money. I want that 90s money. I'm on my way up, and they can't say none. I want that Bill Gates hustle, take away my troubles with that 90s money. I want that 90s money. I'm Buddy Holly like a Weezer record. Critics give me E for effort, equal to a rapper version of an Arby's beef and cheddar. Find me sleeping on the weekends, even if it's decent weather. People call my line, I'm doing fine, don't need to leave a message. I want that 90s money special. Advances of $1 million plus, dancing on Brazilian rug, lamping in chinchilla Uggs, handfuls of a zillion drugs, ranting cause I'm feeling buzzed. Damn it, I've revealed enough. I want that 90s money.